walk up the stairs from my house, and the first wall that you see is going to be Gemma's art gallery, and I decided to go with this label from Etsy. It's an Etsy store. I will link it down below. It's just a decal that goes on the wall. It was very simple to put on. It says Gemma's art gallery. We got these 4 frames from LTD Commodities. These are magnetic frames that are really simple to put new artwork in, and this one is this way and this one opens this way, and they're just basic. They are actually for kids artwork, so I thought that that would look fun up here. It looks like a little gallery wall. Got these 2 guys at the Target dollar spot, and this huge bulletin board that I bordered with palms at Goodwill for $3. So this is going to be her art wall. I figured she could hang up stuff on this bulletin board and she will love it. Hang up art here, hang up art here. This whole wall will be just all of her creations that we do in our learning time. As you walk into the room here, this is what it looks like. Excuse the pumpkin, we just put up our Halloween decorations. So the first thing we're seeing here is our weekly board and the things we're going to be learning. So I have a letter of the week, a number of the week, a color of the week, a shape of the week, a community helper of the week, and a state of the week. State of the week is a stretch, but I did put the United States map on the board on the wall there, and she's totally interested in it. She already knows where Mickey Mouse lives. She knows where my aunt lives, so she points out Florida. She points Virginia. Once you show her something, she's kind of like, she goes right back to it, and she says Mickey's house, and she points. So I figured, why not do a state of the week and just start introducing her to the states. And there's a ton of free printables online so she could learn what the state's shape is and everything else. So we have a letter, a number, a color, a shape, state, and a community helper. And this week, this is what we are doing this week. Letter E, number 9, color red, circle. Our community helper this week is a police officer. I should also say this big bulletin board I just covered in white felt. The borders from Target dollar spot. I got that bulletin board off of OfferUp for $15, and it is a huge, I think it's like 56 by 30 something. It's huge. I put the border up there. This is from the Dollar Tree. And then on the bottom here, this is another bulletin board that I got off of OfferUp or a garage sale for like 10 or 15 bucks. It's another ginormous board. This calendar set I got off of Amazon. And I basically just Velcroed everything so that she could take the numbers down, she could put them up. Today we're going to do the weather every morning, so she could change the weather every morning, today, tomorrow, and yesterday. And this is just a little Sephora play bag that I got my makeup in 1 month, and I stapled it there so that way she could take the days out and learn what the days are and everything. And that's just like a little felt, today is a visual for the weather. So that was from the Target dollar spot. Okay, on the wall here I brushed my teeth. These are all Velcroed so she can mark if she brushed her teeth every day in the morning and at night. And I just thought this was super cute. It's the fruit of the spirit, and it's just all of the X. So I really like that. And peace, love, joy, kindness, patience, faithfulness, goodness, self-control, and gentleness. So I laminated those things, put those on the wall. I have our calendar with our weather. This is our weekly learning. I have my dry erase board, which I got this. This is what I got for $30 off of OfferUp. The guy had it on there for like 9 months, I had noticed, and I messaged him. I said, would you take 30? He had it for 60, and he said yes. So I got this for $30, and it's a very nice dry erase board. I like the ledge, so I can keep my stuff on it. She can't get to it. I have my little timer here because every activity we do is about 15 to 20 minutes, so I want to be able to time ourselves so we stay on schedule and we're not running over time because I don't want to overwork her. And those numbers are just from the dollar spot, and so are those. So that is my dry erase board. I have these, this alphabet, the number, the colors, and the alphabet, the number, and the colors. Those are from Amazon. I had those laminated at FedEx. And then this United States map that I was telling you about, I got from Target, and it came laminated. It was $5.99, but I like it because it's like fun. Like, it teaches them the states, but it's like fun. So that's the United States. Numbers, opposite words, and position words. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they're kind of nice because it shows you opposites and it shows you positions. So, and then I have my colors. This is just a white piece of cardboard that I did not have a shapes poster for, so I put all the stickers from the Target dollar spot that I got in that one set on the board. So those are her shapes. And this board up here is going to be the theme of the month. every month we're going to have a theme, and this month the theme is all about me. So everything on that board is going to be about Gemma. I took down the other stuff because it has our phone number and our address and her last name, and I want her to start to learn her phone number and her address and her last name. So those are going to be the things that go up on that board that we're going to be working on. This is another bulletin board that I covered in white felt. I saw that on Pinterest actually. They said cover the bulletin boards in white felt, and then just put a border on it, and you never have to change it. You could just take the stuff up and down. So that's what I did, and I kind of like the way it looks. So did that. So our theme is all about me, so I put all about Gemma. That's going to be that. I have a little book rack here, and this is just going to be the books that we're focusing on for the week. So those are not the books we're focusing on this week. I have to change it out. I just put that there so you guys could see. But I'm going to have like books associated with our letter of the week, our number of the week, our color, and our shape. So those will be the books that'll be in that little area so that she knows, hey, we're going to be reading these books. So that's a nice little area for that. That's my little treasure chest, and I have a bunch of goodies in there for her. So when she completes something and she does a great job, she could pick something out of the treasure chest. I know a lot of people don't agree with the treasure chest, but I just think it's fun. And I remember when I was a kid, I loved picking stuff out of the treasure chest from school, so why not? It's kind of fun. These are just 2 white shelves that I got at a garage sale for $5 a piece, if you can believe it. And Bill brought me home all these red binders from work because they were throwing them away. So I told him, can you bring me enough for the alphabet? And he can only get me half. So I kind of split up my alphabet in A, B, C, D. You know, there's 2 letters in each binder, so that's kind of cool. I have my little cans with my pencils, pens, markers from the Target Dollar Spot. I have a diffuser and my pencil sharpener and this little three-fold file thing. Then at the bottom I just have some flashcards. There's some games in there. These down here are all of our learning games that we're going to be using, and these are more games in here. I brought our little table up from downstairs near the playroom, so this will be the table we work on. And then I have my organizer up here now. And this organizer also, this is from Amazon. And I just wanted something because I had so many of these books from the Dollar Spot and the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to have something to have them separated so that when I'm looking for something, I could just grab the book and I know it's going to be the alphabet or the numbers or you know, shapes or colors. So all of these sections are divided into, you know, separate sections so that I know where everything is. And then my organization, if you guys want to see a video on how I organized and what's in all these bins, let me know and I will show you that, because I have a lot of, everything is super organized. These are from the Dollar Spot. This stuff, her little abacus, she got this from Sheena for her baby shower. It's really cute. Create, Inspire. I got all this stuff from the Dollar Spot, really, except for that. I got that at the Dollar Tree, the little timer. And then my little Russian nesting doll. I thought she was so cute, so I just put her up there. And then I just have all of our books that we're going to be using here, and games, more fun games down there. I have her crayons. In there I have all crafting things. I have her dry erase board. The other side is a chalkboard and a ream of paper. This is her little desk that I got for 10 bucks. It was covered in marker, and the magic eraser does wonders because it looks brand new. So this is going to be her desk. You know, another desk for her because she has this table for us to work on, but if she wants to work on something else, she has a table there. And then I have a chair up here just because if I'm gonna sit down, I thought it would be comfy to sit there. So again, I have this border from the Dollar Tree. I got these from Hobby Lobby and I cut them all out and laminated them, so I thought it looked really cute. They're pencils, pens, paints, erasers. And then this is the these are 2 banners actually from the Dollar Spot at Target. And it says Learn, and it's really cute. I also wanted to mention that I have a little American flag up there because I want to teach her the Pledge of Allegiance as well. So I have that up there for that, and that's going to be part of our morning time. So this room is exactly how I wanted it to look. It looks like a little preschool, and I wanted it to be a fun learning space for her. The one thing I have about this room, the one thing I said, there is no Disney allowed in this room. So there is nothing Disney upstairs. Her playroom is still downstairs. All of her toys are downstairs. I'm excited that this is up here because I wanted this learning space to be away from her play area. So aside from a few games, there is no other toys up here except for learning things. So she's pretty excited. She keeps seeing me do stuff and she goes, Mama, I learn. Excited. She's excited. So we'll see how this goes. I'm really excited because I know her brain is like a little sponge and she's dying to learn stuff. So this is my room. hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see what's inside of things, like if you want to see how I have things filed or organized or what's in there or how I have this, let me know down below what kind of a video you guys want to see. If I get enough thumbs up on that specific comment or whatever, I will do a video and show you guys how I have everything organized, because I have a lot of little crafting things and things that I've been accumulating that are in all those bins to help us with like manipulatives and dice and for counting and alphabet and crafting and all kinds of stuff. I mean, these drawers are all filled with anything you could think. Dotters. So let me know down below what you want to see, and I will do that video for you guys if you're interested. So yeah, this is all my alphabet. These are all my worksheets for the curriculum that I picked, which was Preschool Palace. So that is pretty much it, I think. Let me know how you liked it, and if you did a video like this showing your homeschool area, let me know. Leave me a comment down below so I could check yours out. And thank you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.